Houthis unleash fury. Mammoth march shakes Israel. Tidal wave floods streets in defiance. Anti-Israel fervor reaches fever pitch. What is Ansarallah's next move? Yemeni citizens and Houthi rebels have once again taken to the streets in a massive show of solidarity with Palestinians in Gaza. This latest demonstration, described as the largest march so far, saw thousands of people flood the streets of Sana'a, Sada, and other major cities across Yemen. The protesters marched under banners proclaiming, "We are with Gaza," and "We will fight against America and its supporters," clearly expressing their opposition to Israel's actions in Gaza and criticizing US support for Israel. The demonstrations were not just a show of emotional support. They also endorsed the Houthi rebels' recent military operations against Israel-linked vessels in international waters. Following the march, organizers released a statement praising the legendary resilience of Palestinians in Gaza and the West Bank. They assured Palestinians of continued support, emphasizing that Yemen stands firmly by their side. The statement also commended resistance efforts in Lebanon and Iraq, as well as joint operations between the Yemeni armed forces and Islamic resistance in Iraq. Interestingly, the protesters also expressed admiration for student protests occurring in American and European universities in support of Palestine. They called on people across the Arab world to take action, suggesting that if the injustice against Palestinians has moved some in the West to embrace Islam and oppose Israeli actions, then Arab nations have an even greater responsibility to act. The Yemeni demonstrators urged for widespread economic boycotts against Israel's allies, stressing that such actions are within reach of all nations and can have a significant impact. These rallies are not isolated events. Since Israel began its military campaign in Gaza in October 2023, Yemen has seen regular large-scale demonstrations in Sana'a and 14 other provinces. These gatherings serve multiple purposes. They show support for Palestinians, condemn Israeli actions in Gaza, and back the efforts of Yemeni armed forces and other support fronts for the Palestinian resistance. The scale and frequency of these demonstrations underscore the depth of feeling among many Yemenis about the situation in Gaza. They reflect a broader sentiment across parts of the Arab world, where there is significant grassroots support for the Palestinian cause.